Hello friends, am I audible? Please write in the chat box, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So let us start. Hello friends, myself ARSHA SARAF. I am 11 years old. Once again, I welcome you all on this platform of learning as I have started a series of webinars, Visualize Science, to make the practical science popular and to make the science concepts crystal clear. In my webinar series, today's webinar is our webinar hashtag 25 and the name is World of Science. So friends, are you ready to start? Are you ready to move ahead? Okay, so let us move ahead. Friends, first of all, I have a question for you. Okay, wait for a second. First of all, here I have a question for you. Friends, what will happen if we sprinkle some black pepper powder in water? What will happen if we sprinkle some black pepper powder in water? Will it float or sink? What do you think? Will it float or sink? Give your opinion in chat box. What do you think? What will happen? Float or sink? Yes, it will float as it has less density as that of the water. So friends, here I have the experiment. Let us try. Now, magic hashtag 1. Black pepper magic. Friends, with the very simple material required, let us start. Friends, here I have water. Normal tap water I have used. Here I have a plate. You can take any plate of any size. Here friends, I have some black pepper powder. It is easily available in our kitchen. Here I have some dish soap that we usually use in our home to wash our utensils. And an earbud. I have used an earbud. What I have used? Normal tap water. We have normal tap water, plate, some dish soap, black pepper powder, and an earbud. Okay, so friends, let us move ahead and see what happens. Friends, now pour some normal tap water in the plate. Now friends, I will sprinkle some black pepper powder on the water, on the surface of water. See what happens, it floats or sinks. See friends, the fine powder is floating in water. See, the fine powder is floating in water. Now friends, observe what happens. Have a very keen observation. Now friends, here I have an earbud. Normally I will touch the earbud on the surface of water. Observe. Friends, what is happening? Nothing has happened. Now observe. Now, we will dip the other side of the earbud in the dish soap. Dip the other side of the earbud in the dish soap. Now, what I will Friends, when we have touched the dish soap, on the surface of water, the black pepper powder ran away. As you have observed, when we have touched the earbud containing dish soap on the surface of water, the black pepper powder ran away. Friends, what is happening here? What is happening? What's the science behind this wonderful science magic? Can anybody tell? Do you know what's the science concept behind the science magic? If you know, then please write in the chat box. Do you know? Okay, let me tell you. Science behind this magic. Science behind this magic is surface tension. So friends, you might be thinking, what is surface tension? Can anybody tell what is surface tension? Please post in the chat box if you know. Do you know what is surface tension? Okay, let me tell you. So what is surface tension? Friends, surface tension is the property of liquid. Here, in which this property contains, as liquid contains molecules of liquid of H2O. Water means H2O. And friends, surface tension is the property of liquid in which molecules of liquid, H2O, molecules of liquid attract each other. The molecules attract each other with a cohesive force. Force called as cohesive force. And friends, due to this cohesive force, they make an elastical membrane over its surface. So this is what the surface tension is. So friends, here you can see the molecules of liquid. See here, you can see the circles. These are the molecules of liquid. And when the same kind of molecule attract each other, it is known as cohesive force. And when the different type of molecules attract each other, it is known as adhesive force. So with this cohesive force, the molecules attract each other and they make an elastical membrane. And when dish soap is touched to this elastical membrane breaks. This elastical membrane breaks. So friends, now we can conclude that soap molecules break surface tension. Hence, the earbud dipped in the dish soap break the surface tension. Here the surface tension is present at other ends. आपने देखा होगा बाकी की जगहों पर तो जब हमने उसे डिश सोप टच किया था तो जब ब्लैक पेपर भाग गया था तो उसके प्लेट के कॉर्नर्स पे वो लेयर मेंटेन थी, तो वहां पर ब्लैक पेपर फ्लोट कर रहा था और बाकी सेंटर में वो ब्लैक पेपर सिंक कर रहा था। तो ये है साइंस, इस साइंस कंसेप्ट, ये साइंस मैजिक के पीछे। So this was the science behind this science magic. Did you like this science magic? Please write in the chat box. Did you like this science magic? Are you ready to move ahead? Friends, are you ready to move ahead? Please write in the chat box. Are you ready? Okay. So let us move ahead. Now friends, I have a question. Now I have something that you have to try. I have told you the experiment, the magic. Now I have some homework for you. Friends, you have to try this experiment. I have used black pepper. You have to try this experiment with chalk powder. You can use chalk powder or you can use glitters. Instead of black pepper, you can use black pepper powder. Instead of black pepper powder, you can use chalk powder or you can use glitters. So friends, let us move ahead with our second science magic, which you can do at your home. First of all, I have a question for you. Friends, have you ever seen bubble inside a bangle? Have you ever seen bubble inside a bangle? Please post your answers in the chat box. Have you ever seen? Okay. So, friends, first of all, let us try. Let us try it out. Again, with the very simple material required, which is very easily available at our home. Let us try. Magic hashtag 2. Bangle fun. Friends, observe what I have used to make bubble inside a bangle. Friends, here I have a bowl. I have a bowl containing soap solution. I have poured some dish soap and I have approximately used 200 ml of water and 2 spoons of dish soap. Dish soap which we use in our homes to wash our utensils. So I have made this liquid and here I have a bangle. We have to make a bubble inside a bangle. So bangle is required. Any bangle you can take. Friends, here I have some paper flowers. I have cut some paper flowers from any paper. You can cut it from newspaper also. What I have used? Paper flowers, bangle and some dish soap. Now friends, what I will do is dip the bangle in the dish soap. I will dip the bangle in the dish soap. Now carefully I will take it out. See friends, can you see the bubble which has formed inside the bangle? If the bubble bursts, so we can again dip the bangle inside the soap solution. See here, can you see? Bubble is formed inside the bangle. Now friends, to make it more clear that I have used some paper flowers, I will take a paper flower, dip it in the dish soap. Now I will carefully put it over our bubble. Now is it visible that a bubble is formed inside this bangle? I will do the same with the second one. Nothing if the bubble has burst, we will do it again. Again dip the bangle in the soap solution and I will put the flowers. See friends, is the bubble visible inside the bangle? Now we can try it again and again. So friends, the question arises. What's the science behind this wonderful magic? What's the science concept behind this wonderful magic? Friends, we have learned the science behind this science magic. Okay, science behind this magic is surface tension. Again, that's surface tension. So friends, as you all know, we have used soap solution. So obviously bubble is made up of soap solution and the soap solution has less surface tension as that of the water. I have told you what is surface tension. As I have told, surface tension is the property of liquid in which molecules of liquid attract each other with a cohesive force and makes an elastical membrane over it. And the soap solution has less surface tension as that of the water. And friends, when we dip the bangle in the soap solution, a bubble is formed in the bangle. And this bubble holds the paper flowers over it, on it. So this was the science behind this magic. Now friends, today I have told you 2 easy science magics which you can easily do at your home. Now that's the work for you. Now you have to make the videos of the science magic which I have told you today, and you have to use your innovation. Some selected videos we will post it on our YouTube or Facebook channel. Friends, and for the good and creative videos, we will appreciate them with the gifts. Science kits. I will provide you science kits by which you can make more science experiments. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the webinar. If you have any query, then please post in the chat box. Or you can also post it. You can also post it on my WhatsApp number or email. You can also post your query on my WhatsApp number. If you have any query, then you can post it in the chat box also. Do you have any query? Did you enjoy the webinar? Post your replies in the chat box. Okay, you can post your query on my WhatsApp number. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. We will meet in our next webinar.